Hello all, good morning. Today I am going to try a new food for my baby. He is 15 months old and I have never made it before, so I'm not sure if he accepts it or no. This is something like a savory pancake. Just make it at home with the readily available ingredients. So whenever you do not have any pancake batter or pancake powder that is readily available, just grab some whole wheat atta or the wheat flour, as we say in English, and then try to make this savory pancakes. So let's just try with my baby. So here we have some atta, some whole wheat flour, some grated shredded cheese, some Ajwain. This actually helps with the digestion, and some salt. So we are using just the room temperature water to make it into a not too thick or not too liquidy paste. So here I took a mixing bowl and added the wheat flour. I added a pinch of salt, and I'm going to add a pinch of salt, some Ajwain seeds, and some cheese, so in the process of adding the ingredients, I right away decided to add some vegetables. So I'm just adding some grated carrot as well. So now I'm just going to mix it a little and then pouring water a little by little, just making sure there are no lumps in the batter. So mix it well. So here is the batter ready, and this is the consistency that I was looking for, not too liquidy or not too thick. So we can go ahead and make the pancakes out of it. So here I have put on a griddle and turned it on 400, which is the maximum, and I'm going to add some ghee, which is the clarified butter, which is made from the clarified butter at home. If you want, I can share a recipe for that one too, or the process to make the ghee. So here I'll put on some ghee. And I'll take a spoonful of batter and then just pour it in there. So I'm just closing those pancakes with a lid so that they are cooked from inside, and then wait for a couple of minutes and then turn them over. So I have just turned them over, and I have also added 2 more pancakes to the griddle. So now I'm just waiting for them to be ready, well toasted. So here are the ready pancakes, the savory pancakes. You can actually replace the whole wheat flour with multigrain flour or oats powder or anything like that. So I'm trying to serve this for my baby along with a side of Philadelphia whipped original cream cheese. So I don't know how he takes it. Let me check that out. So this is his first bite. I hope he likes it. I really hope he likes it. Okay, I know what you're thinking, but it is not what you think. So he actually liked them, but not really loved them. So he just had about one and a half, and of course, don't judge me, please. I finished the rest of the two and a half pancakes for my breakfast, and I love them too. So if you want to give it a try, just um, try different combinations of powders of any nutrition food, like mixing with mixed nuts powder or multigrain flour, or uh, anything that you can think of, and let me know how it turned out and how does your baby like it. All right. Please like, share, and subscribe for more recipes, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.